Today we have to create a function that takes a list as an argument, and what we have to do with the list is to output it in a CSV format, like this. How to go about that? Well, first of all, let's start with the starting situation. So let's print the list called array. Here we have it. It's kind of a listed array. And what we have to do is to return it in a CSV format. So we can use a simple for loop for that. So for line in array, and then print the line. And this kind of looks like a CSV format, but we have to get rid of the square brackets, the white spaces, and that's it. Yeah. How to go about that? Well, first of all, we can create an empty text string. Let's call it CSV underscore format is empty text string. And what we have to do here is the following. Every iteration, we have to add the line to the CSV format string. And after adding the line, we should add a new line. And this probably won't work out. Let's try it. Print CSV format. Type error. Can only concatenate string, not list to string. So what we have to do here is to convert the list line to a string with the built-in function string, str. There we go. And from here we have to use the replace method to get rid of the square brackets and the white spaces, and we don't have to print the last white line. So what we can do is the following. Of course, we can use a return statement, and then we have to use the replace method. The first argument will be the character that we want to replace, the square bracket. Let's start with the left one. And with what character do we want to replace it? Well, with nothing. Let's do the same for the right square bracket and the white spaces. Yep. And there we go. We only have to get rid of the last white line, and we can use slicing for that. If we want to print everything except for the last line, we can use colon -1, and this will leave out the last white line. There we go. Well, let's test it out. And there we go. Hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.